National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a flash flood warning for northern Dakota County, East Hennepin and South Hennepin County, southern Washington County, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: broadcast media reported. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Minneapolis, St. Paul, Bloomington, Eagan, Woodbury, Burnsville, Apple Valley, Edina, Richfield, Cottage Grove, Inver Grove Heights, Oakdale, Hastings, Rosemount, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Mendota Heights, Lake Elmo, St. Paul Park, and Prescott. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, East Hennepin, South Hennepin, and Washington.